Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Are you studying? You have to study seriously again because your midterm exam is approaching. In the last class, we were studying about the food we eat, and you learned different types of pulses, grains, fruits, and vegetables that we get from different parts of the country. And in this class, this week, we are going to learn the sixth lesson, that is the clothes we wear. The different types of clothes that we wear. Let me ask you one question. What type of clothes do you like to wear? What sort of clothes do you like to wear? Your answers will be frock, churidar, or jeans and top. Like that. Same different variety of dresses we know. You will have that desire to wear also. And the next question, let me ask you that. Put something you wear for a picnic or when you go to beach. That same dress, you know that when you go for a picnic or to the beach, what type of clothes you wear. And the same thing, would you like to wear for a birthday party or wedding party or important functions? No, your answers will be no. No one likes to wear the ordinary dress that we wear for a picnic or to go to beach. That same dress we won't wear for a party or for a special occasion. So, in this lesson we are going to learn that climate plays an important role in the way of people dress. So climate has an important role. The type of clothes that we select. People wear light, cool clothes in the places where there is summer very hot. So during the summer season, we wear light cotton clothes. Same way, when it is winter, we like to wear heavy clothes like sweaters. Same way, when it is winter, we like to wear heavy clothes like sweaters, jackets, likewise. So, climate has an important role in the way people dress. So, summer season we wear light, cool cotton clothes. And winter season we wear heavy clothes like jackets, sweaters, etc. I hope you understood. Also varies according to where one lives. Clothing also differs according to where we are living. Many people who live in cities and towns wear shirts and trousers, skirts and jeans, and in villages people wear traditional dress. So in cities, those who are living in cities and towns, they like to wear trousers, skirts, shirts, jeans, etc. And those who live in villages, they like to wear traditional dress. So what is this traditional dress? Down there is definition is given there in your textbook. Tradition means handed down from one generation to the next. മലയാളം നമുക്ക് പരമ്പരാഗതമായിട്ട് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റൈല്. So people those who live in villages, they like to wear the traditional dress. They like to wear the traditional way of dressing. And every state has its own costume. Every state, Kerala, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, all those states, they have their own costumes. That means special costume. Definition of costume also given there. A set of clothes that is used for particular occasion. A set of clothes like when we celebrate our annual day. When you participate in dance, you will have the costume for dance. The parents will ask, what is the costume? The teachers will say, you have to buy the costume. Costume is a special set of clothes that we use for special occasion. Understand? So now you understood what is traditional and what is costume. So every state has its own costume. Then I am going to explain about the men's clothes. That is our father, uncle or grandfather, what type of clothes they wear. So men's clothes. Men in villages and in cities wear shirts and dhotis, lungis or pajamas. Men in villages and cities wear shirts with dhotis and shirts with lungi or shirt with pajamas. These are also worn with the loose fitting kurtas. You know what is kurta, like a churidar tops. Loose fitting kurtas. Men also wear capes and turbans that protect their head from heat and cold. So men likes to wear, men those who live in villages and cities wear shirts with dhotis or shirts with lungi or shirts with the pajamas. These are also worn with the loose fitting kurtas. You know what is kurta, like a churidar tops. Loose fitting kurtas. Men also wear capes and turbans that protect their head from heat and cold. So men likes to wear, men those who live in villages and cities wear shirts with dhotis or shirts with lungi or shirts with the pajamas. And men also, some men in the some different states, they wear caps and turban. For what? To protect their heads from heat and cold. The style of wearing the turban varies from state to state. This turban or caps also varies, differs from state to state. You will have the picture on your textbook that Punjabis, you might have seen the movie like Mallu Singh. They, how their men are wearing the turban. That same thing won't be the men in Gujarat. They will wear different types of caps. So men wear different types of clothes as well as they wear different types of turban and caps in order to protect their heads from heat and cold. Have you understand? I hope you understood. You have to read the textbook and I hope you understood it.